I'm Lee from Toolbox.co.uk and I'd like to show you the ROK 150mm bench grinder. When you purchase the bench grinder, you'll receive 2 eye shields, 2 tool rests in the box, which you have to mount, which is very easy to do by just doing a few nuts and bolts up and 2 nuts and bolts on the bottom. The machine comes with 2 grinding wheels. We have a coarse grinding wheel and a medium grinding wheel, and these are ideal for sharpening hand tools and garden tools. The machine has a on-off switch. It also has 4 mounting holes, which we would always recommend that you fit a machine like this to the workbench. Even though it has eye shields, we would also recommend that you use safety goggles or safety specs when using a machine like this. Okay, let's see the ROK bench grinder in action. And don't forget, all ROK power tools come with a 2-year warranty.